Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. This is a quick video on USD JPY. The current market price is 121.56, and as we all know that all the JPY pairs were flying for the last couple of days and we were trying to catch them. Okay, but they were flying so fast that most of us, in fact me also, failed to catch the JPY pairs. Why they were flying? Because you must understand that inflation is at a record high everywhere. Okay, in fact all the developed nations are fighting, they are tense with the inflation. As a result, they are planning to increase the interest rates everywhere, but Bank of Japan was not saying anything. So as a result, we saw heavy selling on the Japanese yen currency. There were Japanese yen currency index was trading at around 82, 81. Okay, let me show you. So this was the position of Japanese yen currency index. Just look at the fall here. Okay. And but Japanese finance minister, okay, have stated that they will take steps to tackle the price hike at last. At last, Japanese finance minister has stated that they will be taking steps to tackle the price hike. Okay, as a result, we have seen some sort of correction on all the JPY pairs, because see, Bank of Japan was not saying anything. As a result, we saw twin fall on the Japanese yen index. Okay, but right now there is a hope they'll be doing something right now. So as a result, Japanese yen pairs are seeing some sort of correction, and this correction may continue as well. Many of you have taken the risk and taken a short position, then hopefully you are in good profit right now. But considering the trend of the market, the ongoing bullishness in the market, I did not take a sell position. But if you have taken a sell position, you can continue with the sell position on the any Japanese pair. Okay, not only USDjpy, any Japanese pair, because there is a possibility that there will be some correction at least for today. But if you're looking for a fresh opportunity, then see, if you want to take a sell position here, that's your personal risk. I'll just suggest that use proper risk management, and if possible take a very small lot size, because the risk to reward ratio will not match now. See, if you want to take a sell position right now, it's right now trading at 121.60, and your stop loss will be at 122.60. So 100 pips stop loss is not a matter of joke. So please be careful. Okay. Otherwise, you can wait for the market to come down to the retracement levels here. The first level is 120.55. This is the first retracement level on the USD JPY pair. Why this level is important? This is found at Fibonacci 23.6% retracement, and then this level is found a weekly chart 119.00. This level is important because of this is a support from the weekly chart. So in case market comes down to 120.55 level, we can expect market to bounce. If market bounces, if you see price rejection from below, you get the confirmation that market is trying to take support around this level, and you can go for a buy. But if market breaks it, do not take a sell position, because overall trend is still very much towards the upside and you cannot deny the fact. Okay, if you have an ongoing sell position, that's a different chapter, but do not initiate any sell position, try to look for buy only. Okay. um, if we see heavy selling today, okay, then I'll tell you by tomorrow that what should be your next trading strategy. But as of now, okay, as of now, if you have a sell position, go with it. If you want a fresh position, then wait for buy at retracement. Okay, because taking a sell position at this moment is the risk to reward ratio is not in our favor. Okay. 120.55 is the first level, then 119 level, because this is support for a weekly chart. So these two are the retracement level for us as of now. In between, you can see that we also have the blue line. The blue line is the 50 moving average. More or less, we see 50 moving average works as a dynamic support in the market. So if market takes support at a 50 moving average, that's a very good sign. But as of now, I cannot tell you the exact value here, because as I just said, This is a dynamic support. Okay, dynamic support and resistances does not have the exact value. Okay, so if so let's wait and watch. In your chart you can put the 50 moving average and wait also. So my dear friends, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section, because see, though I have been in the market for a long time, but still I am also a learner. Don't forget that. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow with the analysis for next week. And please use proper risk management and stop loss, because market is very volatile right now. Bye bye. Take care.